The current excavator has really hit rock bottom. Like the 13 model excavator next to me, the chassis width is 90-3 cm. The excavation depth is 1.7 meters. And it is said that it is an upper cylinder large and small arm. And the large and small arms are also used to cut the plate material made of laser integration. And it is said that this is a mechanical operation, equipped with the brand MAN R engine, strong power, low fuel consumption. And now the order will also give you a set of multi-minus to Thraken wood grabber. If you are interested in the boss, give me a little attention. I will contact you.